is my name. Come here and
What
sit
is up?
down. I'm so glad you even really truly came.
We're live! Jimmy Wall Trade!
We can even go and take a walk or something like that. Or something
It's
like
Sunday
that.
Night Charts. How y'all doing?
But first I need to introduce my what and introduce my man.
Welcome! Let's go! Hey, Mom, what's up?
Its name I like to call, it likes to say it's
Hey,
nothing.
Brad.
It lives and breathes and it insists that it is something. It never liked to speak or run or walk or sleep or eat.
Jasper. Who's Jasper?
It even thought that everybody tried to take its seat.
Daniel, how's it going, man? Good to see y'all. Dinosaur Muscle Card. What's up, man? How's it going, buddy?
Glass eyes, give it a few
And
tries.
Leo Dev, what's up, man?
Goes right in its time.
Enough with the heart, man.
Those bad dreams, wonder about no things.
I'm just
Circles and spirals in mind. But we know that this song is not about to know or yes or why.
Let's see if I can get my picture in there.
What's
Hey,
really
there I am.
truly what I say is that about to learn to sigh.
I'm gonna let
So
everything
come
populate
along,
here.
I think I'm done, I think we're done, yes, this is done.
Litecoin, Ethereum.
What's truly that I think about it and it thinks about to
Very
done.
nice short night.
Looking through glass eyes, give it a few tries. Nothing goes right in its time.
Hey, Kimo Sabi. What's up,
Live
man?
on its bad dreams, wonder about no
Appreciate you, buddy. Thanks for
circles and
joining us tonight, man.
spirals in mind.
Moderating the channel. I really appreciate it, buddy.
I thought you
Man, I turn the music down every week.
knew, but
How's that? I turned it down. Let me know. How's that? Is that better? Can you hear me now? It didn't matter. I wouldn't say anything important. All right. Hey, Candace, what's up? Awesome. Sorry about that. Yeah, you just got to let me know. I'll fix it, guys. Y'all help me. We can make the channel better with this. I'm not very good with the sound. So, but guess what, guys? I finished one of my last jobs. I got a little work tomorrow to do, but I finished the bathroom today after church and feeling good. Guys, I got my gain on my mic all the way up. Right there. There's my gain all the way up. Let's see. Is that any better for you? Yeah, I just turned the gain up on the mic. I got the gain all the way up in OBS. So is that better? Let's see. Do we have a good, everything looking good? Looks like we got a good signal there. Okay. All right, guys, let's jump into the TA. Here is the plan for tonight. We're going to look at Bitcoin extensively. We'll look at Ethereum. Yeah, my volume's on. I don't know how to turn it up any more than it is, guys. Don't know how to turn it up any more than it is. Let me just check one thing here real quick. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything that I can really change. All right, well, we'll figure it out. I'll work on the mic settings another time. I don't know if it's guys, tell me if that sounds better to you. Does that sound better to you if I do it on that setting? Give me a give me a give me a is this better if I on this setting? Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Does that sound louder to you? Does that sound better? It's better. Okay. All right. We'll give it a go with that setting. All right. Here we go, guys. Here's the plan. We're going to look at Bitcoin extensively. We'll look at Ethereum. I'll take a peek at Litecoin after we do that analysis. We'll take a look at Cardano, promise. We'll look at, let's see, we'll look at XLM. We'll also look at Link and Dot. Okay. I'll look at all those charts, guys, and then I'll take requests at the end of that. You got to stick around through all that. I'm going to do, I'll do Bitcoin fairly quickly. I'll do those charts fairly quickly, guys, because the count's pretty simple for now, at least the analysis I'm seeing for now. So let's jump in, look and see what we got going on, okay? Let's start out on the 8-hour chart, guys. 8-hour chart. What do we got going on here? It appears that we had some kind of a three-wave pullback here. We had a three-wave move up that broke the top. Okay, and now we're expecting some kind of a 5-wave move down like that, and that would be basically a flat. We're looking for some kind of a down move tonight, tomorrow, soon. Okay, right there. Okay, that's what we're looking for. That's what we need to see. Right there for the Bitcoin chart. You can see on the 8-hour chart, we've got the bearish divergence right there rocking. So that's playing out. This wave is playing out. We're not done. What we've got here off the top, let's zoom in here on the 6-hour here, is we have an impulse. We got an impulse here, okay? We got a 3-wave pullback, and now looks like we're ready to go down. There may be another wave up to the upside. I'll show you in just a second. So we could be doing this, okay? And if we're doing that, then we could be coming down after that. So let's watch out for that as well. Or we might simply be impulsing down tonight. We'll have to wait and see what we get, okay? I'm currently short, and, it can take profit at any time the market says to. All right, so that's basically the idea we're looking at here. That we're looking for basically an ABC flat to finish up. Boom. Boom, and boom. Okay, then we'd be looking for 1 2 3 4 5. So the fibs on that, get some targets to the downside. If it's going to come down, where is it going to come down? We're looking at 46K to be a truncated kind of. If we get a truncated move like this, you look at 46 47K. Okay, if it comes deeper, look at 43 or 4250. And as deep as 37K, okay? So there are your targets right there. Okay, let's zoom in and look at the smaller time frame wave and see what we've got going off the top here. It's pretty clear here. We got an impulse move. 1 2 3 4 5. Nice impulse. Then I hear you, cat. I got my cat back there making some noise. Sorry. Then after that, let's see, what was I saying? Oh, okay. After that impulse, we got a 3-wave pullback. So far, so good. A, B, and C right there. Once that impulse was finished, can you come get the cat, honey?
Where's he at?
He's in here moaning. He's in here moaning at the back of the...
He wants to go outside.
Well, I'm live on YouTube, so... You're on YouTube, just FYI. All right, so anyway, so there's 5 waves that came down right there, And it looks like we got a three-way pullback. Did not break that high, guys. Did not break the high. And then it looks like we're impulsing again. Got another three-way back. So we got a 1-2. 1-2 is the way I'm looking at that right now. And now we're starting to impulse again, potentially. So that's kind of, everything's looking good for this count, guys. Everything is looking good. Now, we know the market makers. We know what they can do. They can always make the chart look like one thing and do another thing. So we're ready, guys. We're ready for them to mix it up on us and to change it up. But we're also ready for them to just bring it on down bearishly. Okay? So that's basically what's going on here. Let's go to the smaller time frame, take a peek at this wave, see if there's anything else it could be, see if we can get, what we're going to do when we go to the 15-minute time frame, what we're going to do is ask ourselves, is there anything in the wave structure that I'm seeing that gives me a hint or some clarity to the and some confidence that our larger count is actually playing out the way we expect. So that's the only reason we go down to this smaller time frame. Okay. I got Ethereum coming back on me just a little bit. Let me check it out and see what kind of wave it is. Looks like a flat.
We don't have any yogurt. Nope. I was checking if we had some. They had some in a bottle.
Yeah, it needs to reject and keep on coming down right here. So it looks good for now.
They're always in a bottle.
Okay, so Bitcoin, 15-minute time frame. Got a really, really nice impulse wave right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks good. Guys, yesterday's video, they stopped. They didn't take it up to the upside, guys. Ethereum looked like it was breaking out to the upside. It had me biased to the upside. But they didn't give us those upside targets like I was thinking. They just came down, which is fine with me. Yeah, the market doesn't always give us what we see, so or what we're seeing. And sometimes it's a fake out, and this was kind of a fake out, best I could tell. But we got to watch out for some shenanigans here, because man, I wouldn't put it past the market makers to take it up and break the high again. Not the all-time high, but this last local high. I wouldn't put it past them one bit. So anyway, excuse me. So let's see what we got here. We've got an impulse down. Looks like we got a truncated three-wave, but it's three waves nonetheless. And then we got an impulse down again. We got a nice impulse. Now the question mark is, what is this right here? Is this an impulse or is it a correction? Okay? And then, what is this right here? This right now looks like a three-wave move. It came down pretty impulsively, but it looks like a three-wave. So we got to watch out for that particular count right there, guys. We got to watch out. This is, if that's 3 and it's done. Now, I'm not saying it is, but this might just be a little pause and they keep going down. But it looks like 3 waves right now. It measures like 3 waves right now. The RSI looks like there's plenty of room to go down, so I'm not believing it right yet. And this kind of looks like 5 waves to the upside, guys, but I don't think it is. I don't think it's 5 waves. I think it's 3 waves. Okay, I think this is a double correction, I believe. I could be wrong. In fact, this wave, just looking at it, looks like 5 waves with a 3-wave pullback. But I'm not feeling it, guys. But I do have bearish, hidden bullish divergence here on the 15. It's not powerful, but it's there a little bit. Not actually, it's not there. Actually, no, it's not. Sorry. Yeah, we could still come down. One way to count this is W, X, and then Y. 3-wave move right there. So that's some kind of a WXY right there. This is a 3-wave. Just a little flat 3-wave right here in the middle. Boom, 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 right there. Didn't do a very good job isolating it right there. And then we got a 3-wave back up to the upside. So we got a 3, 3, 3. Okay. Now I think this could have a chance to continue to impulse and come on down. As long as it continues to impulse, guys, our count is looking really, really good to the downside. If it does not impulse, here's something we might be getting tonight. Okay. So if this stays a 3-wave, okay, and we get a reversal, what this might be is this could be an This could be an A, B, and we get a C wave. Click the wrong one. There we go. A, B, and C. Okay, and what that would give us is a 1. Oh, come on. That would give us a 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we'd be short again. Okay, and that would be a very, very bearish wave. So if we get this upward move, watch out. It could only be 3 waves. That's a possibility. Okay, and then down we go after that. But guys, I'm personally bearish for now. For now, I'm bearish. What else could it be? Okay, let's talk about what else it could be. So this also could be come on. We got an ABC correction there, and then what we just finished, could be also an ABC correction right there. Okay? That's a possibility, guys. That is a possibility. And then what we get after that is another some other kind of ABC correction after that. So that would be a WXY as well. That would be a 1, and this whole thing would be 2. Now I'm not feeling that count. I don't like it for a lot of reasons, but I guess that's possible. But I'm more inclined to say that this move finished the correction. That's 1, 2, and this is a 1, 2, 1, 2 off the top, and now we're getting ready to go down. We're getting ready to start impulsing to the downside pretty heavily. That's my bias. That's what I'm watching for first. Until that's invalidated. When does that get invalidated? Well, it gets invalidated if this wave comes on up from here and breaks this high, okay? Then what that's going to probably be is a 3-wave move to the upside at least. Okay? At least a 3-wave move to the upside, and then we could go down unless it starts impulsing to the upside like that, okay? In which case we have to throw our account out the door. So we really need to see what this wave is going to do. It's all tonight, guys. Tonight we're going to know what Bitcoin's going to do. Once we figure out what this wave is going to do, the time is now. All eyes are on Bitcoin right now. Once we get a little clarification in this wave right now, we're going to have a really, really good idea of where Bitcoin is heading and how it's going to head down there, the shape of the wave. But again, my bias, downside, downside, downside. Doesn't mean we can't go up first. It doesn't mean there can't be corrections because, guys, the market goes up and down. But I am looking for this wave to come on and make its way down over the next several days, maybe weeks. I don't know how long it's going to take, but I'm looking for a sell-off that gets us down here to 40K. I'm really looking for 40K pretty carefully. Maybe even deeper, guys. This correction could be deeper and harder than any of you think or imagine. I'm not trying to be fuddish. I know we're in a bull run, and everybody believes we're going up again. This is just a correction, and sure enough, it could be. But you gotta realize, guys, that the market makers or the whales, the ones running this market, those with the money, are out to take your money. And if everybody in the market believes up is the only direction, up is where we're going, it is prime time to bring it down and bring it down hard in such a way that it screws everybody up out of their positions. So watch out. You better be watching out, okay? Because this is a critical time. Let's see how low. We got lower targets. Let's watch. Let's make money on the way down. Because, we can do it. We can make money on the way down. It's called shorting the market. Not just selling at the top and holding your cash, but I'm actually in a trade position that's making positive amount of money on the way down. It's called shorting the market, and I'm currently up. What percentage am I looking up here? 83%, 79%. That's a pretty nice little trade. So we're doing pretty well so far. So let's see how this wave goes on down. Okay, so there's the analysis, guys. That's what I'm looking for, guys. The small time frame, however, that's the big question mark. How is it going to go down? But this is the ultimate shape I'm looking for in the larger time frames. Hope that helps you, gets you some ideas about where we're headed. Okay, let me just take a commercial break here, and just I'm going to find you guys on my phone. I'm finding the chat on my phone, and I'm going to read the chat here and see if there are any questions I need to stop and answer about Bitcoin before we go to Ethereum. Getting ready to go to Ethereum. Trying to find you here. Hold on one second. There we go. Awesome. 129 of you here. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Tim, my cat's a male. Am I gonna hold my short to 40K? It depends on the wave. Depends on the wave structure. The wave structure shows me something else, then I'll take profit and look for another entry. All right. Just to give you guys a time frame, guys, this isn't going to go straight down. You know, I mean, it could go straight down, but it's not going to go straight down immediately. It's gonna wave it. It's gonna come down in waves. Okay. So I'm just reading the chat, see if there's anything I need to answer here. Okay. Okay. Good. Yeah, 83 Madden. My bias is down from here, not up. If you guys need help or ideas along the way, if you want daily analysis on the waves, guys, you can come join the Discord. I do two live Discords every day. I do 2 lives every day to keep everybody posted on what the wave shape is and what could be happening daily. We do one in the morning and one in the evening. And then there's a great group that's always exchanging ideas. Over 300 people in there right now. So and not I think not everybody's active as far as the chat's concerned, but the information is there for you. Lots of people, very active chat. Lots of people talking and sharing their ideas. Bulls and bears in the chat. So there's a good balanced group of people exchanging ideas and fighting each other over which way they think it's going. Not fighting, but certainly it's a great community. Invite you into the Discord. Right now, before I think April, guys, I'm full time now, pretty much. I got a couple things to tie up, loose ends to tie up, but once I tie those up, we're rocking full time. April, the structure of the Discord is going to change and improve, and the prices will improve. It would behoove you to get in before April because it locks you in for any price increase after 8. If you're in the Discord, any price increase after that, you're locked in, you're grandfathered in. You will not be affected by any price increase at all. So invite you in now. Not trying to sell you, really not. Just telling you what I'm doing for everybody that's in the Discord prior to April. Okay? So that being said, invite you in. Come on in. It's a great place to be, and you get daily analysis and a group of traders that enjoy trading together in a great community. So, all right, there's the ad there for for the Discord. At least the invitation. Again, not trying to sell you. I'm glad to have you in there, but more than anything, it's really just there to help you. Because a lot of you need these videos daily, and I'm not putting out daily videos. For YouTube, and I haven't been able to do that in a while because I've been so busy. So I don't want you to become dependent upon YouTube. But if you have access to daily videos, all you want, and you can question and ask questions and get answers in the Discord, and it's really a small amount per month if you're trading Bitcoin. It's worth the data and the information that you get. Plus, you learn how to trade amongst a bunch of traders that exchange ideas about trading. But I teach my style of trading and how I do it, how I enter, and how I exit, and then my risk management and whatnot. So anyway, invite you in. All right, let's look at Ethereum now. Let's look at that real quick and see what's going on. All right, guys. Here is the beautiful thing about Ethereum. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. If you'll notice this box I've drawn underneath Ethereum, it is a huge liquidity zone, okay? Huge liquidity zone. Anybody that's long has their stops underneath these waves, okay? Anybody long generally has their stops underneath these waves, okay? So anybody who thinks they're going short on a breakout, their orders for shorts are down here. So there's a bunch of sell orders underneath this area, okay? There's a bunch of sell orders. And we came down, hit it, went up, hit it again, went up, hit it again, hit it again, hit it again, hit it. We're hitting it again for the final time here. Or not, maybe not the final time, shoot, who knows. But we keep hitting this range over and over and over and over and over. Guys, some of you would call this a head and shoulders. Call it whatever you want to call it. Guys, it's most likely heading down. Head and shoulders, guys, by the way, is just the end of an ABC and the beginning and the beginning of a, if you want to understand from an Ellie wave perspective, it's just basically A, B, and C, okay? And it's just the end of this wave, because you got a 5-wave move here, okay? It's just the end of a wave here and the beginning of a new wave. That's all a head and shoulders is, okay? So that's I don't look at it like a picture. I look at it from a standpoint of a wave structure. So I never even look at head and shoulders. I don't look at the market that way. But our overall count here, guys, we got an impulse down from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. 3-wave pullback on Ethereum, and now we got 1, 2, looking for the 3rd wave. Guys, this is the 3rd wave. This is the FOMO wave. This is the wave that's getting ready to start impulsing like nobody's business. It's going to start going down so fast. As soon as it breaks this level, guys, it's going to start falling like a knife, man. And guys, it has a potential to fall just like this wave right here. Has a potential to come on down just like you see this wave. Okay? So be very, very careful here. This is no place to go long, in my opinion. This is a place to be looking short or to take profit if you haven't taken profit. Okay? At least that's what it looks like to me. So looking really good. We got a nice 3-wave move there. We got a 1, 2 off the top. Okay, come on, baby. Come on down, Ethereum. Where are the targets for Ethereum? Let me give them to you really quick. The 1-to-1 extension here, guys, coming down in 5 waves is a 1200, 1185. 1185 right there, boom. And then, guys, if it gets really deep at the 1276, oh man, it's going to go below $1,000, 974. That has a real potential to go that deep. So watch out, guys. Watch out. Those are the targets. We're looking for 5 waves down in the shape of this, but maybe even deeper than that. Okay. Now you're gonna get deep moves. You're gonna get a move. You're gonna get waves that come down. Then they're gonna come all the way back up and come down. Okay, it's gonna come down, in waves, right? And it's not gonna happen. I don't think it's gonna happen overnight. I don't think it's going to. At least it's gonna. But the sell-off will begin, and it's gonna get strong here. This is very strong area of bearishness here. So market's bearish, guys. It's not. I don't think it's going up. It doesn't look like it's up to me, at least. It looks down. We'll see, though. We'll see if I'm right. We'll see I know there are some of you bulls out there thinking I'm on crack and I'm going crazy. But maybe you can come back if it works out okay and my call is right, which I've been calling this for weeks now. Then this particular move, ever since this first wave, I've been calling for this. You can go back. You can go back whenever this started, back in February 28th area. Late February. I said basically we're looking for a three-way move up and then another impulse down. I drew pictures like that, and you can go back and look at old videos to see what I was calling at that time, and you'll understand. So anyway, just really got lost in the waves in here, thinking we were gonna. I didn't get some of my short time frame calls right within this area, but once the wave clarified itself, it's really become clear what it is now, best I can tell. If it goes up from here, I'm going to have to completely reevaluate everything I've looked at. But right now, this looks pretty bearish. Okay, let's take a peek at what this wave is on the small time frame. This is coming down. I mean, just look how strong that wave is. You got a 1-2, looking really good to the downside right now. Really strong on the 2-hour chart. Plenty of room to come down on the RSI. Plenty of room. Just watch out. Once we get to this range down here, just watch out. There's going to be a lot of selling off after that. It's going to start waterfalling once it breaks the bottom here. Be careful in this market though, because they could trick you up. They could, this is coming down pretty impulsively. They could bring it where? Come on. They could bring it back really fast and then take it down. Okay, they do that kind of stuff all the time. Shoot, they could come up here, take the high out like this, and create a three-wave move like that, and then take it down. Okay, so you got to watch out for that guy as well. In fact, let's look at this wave on the small time frame and say, does it look like 5 waves or 3 waves? Yeah, that looks like 3 waves to the upside. Right now, this looks like 3 waves to the downside. It needs to get going. If it's going to go, it needs to get moving and impulsing to the downside. We need to come down and break this level, because otherwise, all this wave is 3 waves. We got a 3 here, and if that's a 3, we'd be looking for a 5 wave up, a really fast wave. And it's going to screw everybody up if we get that. Okay, so be careful. Watch out for the flat. Watch out for the flat. What it would be a 3, 3, and then watch out for that. And then it'll start impulsing down. So if you get that, oh man, that's going to be a fantastic entry short. Okay, if you get that wave. Otherwise, it's time to be, you should already be short. But if you get this wave to the upside, oh, what a beauty. What a beauty that would be. Wait for it to complete. Give you a 3-wave move, and then down you go. And you go short and you hold that sucker, and you hold that sucker. You don't let that go until like 13K. I mean 1300, not 13K, 1300. Let's look at the 1 minute or 2 minute time frame. See what this wave is off the bottom here. All right, we got a 3-wave move. Three-wave move. This could be a 1-2, 1-2, and we're getting ready to go down big. We'll have to see if that plays out. What else could it be? 3. 3, 5. I don't know. There's a couple different ways. I like the count that just comes on straight down. That makes more sense to me. Ugh, excuse me. But right now, this kind of looks kind of three-way the way it's shaped. But I'd like to see it start impulsing down more, and then it'll be confirmed as an impulse. Oh, guys, I'm getting tired. Okay, there's Ethereum. Let me take a break, see what the chat looks like, see what you guys are saying, and then we'll go from. We'll do Litecoin real fast. Then we'll do DOT and ADA. Oh, excuse me. Duplicate. Duplicate. Truly sorry about the audio, Joe. You're always welcome to go to a different channel if you like. Do the best I can, buddy. I'm no professional here. Just a guy. Litecoin's dead, Tim. Litecoin's dead. I divorced Litecoin a while back. Yeah, Seth, I agree. Last tops are 1-2, man. David Joseph, yeah, my bias is wave structure and RSI analysis. Zach, I've got risk management videos in the Discord, but basically I don't leverage more than half my account. I do leverage. I don't recommend more than 5x or something for most people, but I leverage a little higher than that because I can manage it. I don't see a symmetrical triangle, Vitali. 4 hour chart. Yeah, I'm not seeing a triangle there. Not seeing a triangle. Let me see on BTC if there's a triangle. Started with 5 waves. See, triangles start with 3 waves. So, I'm not seeing a triangle anywhere, buddy. I'm sorry. No, Archer Azevedo, I do not use Kraken. I do not support Kraken. I do not recommend Kraken. I would get off Kraken as fast as you can. That's all right. People could not like the video. That's no big deal. Nice, Tim. Good to see you doing that, bro.
My phone is. No, she's not.
Seth, you're asking 62K as one. Um, yeah,
Oh, I'm good. How are you?
basically this is A, B, and C, and then the top here is 1, 2.
Maybe it's just because it's dark in the room. Yeah, shoot this. Nothing. I'm just tired, kind of. I have sky in my eye.
There you go. Something like that, Seth. What's up, Johnny?
Yes, it is. In about 20 minutes. Yeah. Right now I'm just sitting reading. You know the Percy Jackson series?
Nice, Ryan. I don't know much about that. I trade on a different exchange. So
It's called Michael
March 21st equinox. You know, Zach, I don't know anything about that, bro. Tell me about it, or maybe put a link.
Yeah, it's about
Yeah, but I don't know anything about the timing cycle.
powers.
I'm not one for time, but if there's anything, I mean, I don't mind. I like looking at time.
That were used as scientists.
Okay, I'm gonna go to LTC while you guys are chatting.
They were the only
Uh,
ones to survive in their
let's keep going. LTC quick.
their bodies. And so each of them
Woo wee. Then we're gonna after LTC we'll look at ADA, we'll look at Cardona, and then we'll look at XLM and DOT. Okay.
he can
Where's my Litecoin?
he has electric powers like he can
Yeah, it looks really good, guys. Go down. Oh man, that's a pretty chart. Chart's amazing.
hard to explain. Like yeah, and you can get electrified.
It really looks good. You got an impulse.
Yeah, he can shock people through direct contact or conduction.
We got an impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. We got a nice three-way pullback to the 127 extension. Beauty, mate. ABC right there. Oh, try that again.
No, he is. No, I'm not.
ABC. Okay. Now what are we getting here? Wow, it looks like an impulse going here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe this is the fifth wave of an impulse. But it's coming down. Litecoin looking good. Looking good for down. Where is it coming to? Let's throw the fibs on that guy. Do I already have him? Already got him. Fibs target. Boom. 134 to 107. It's kind of deep, but possible. If this keeps coming down the way I'm looking at it, that's a big if, guys. I could be wrong. Hey, guys, let me just remind you, I could be wrong on all of this, but it just looks compelling. So anyway, three-wave move down to 107, 134, this ballpark down here. Oh, it's looking good. Oh, excuse me. RSI looks good. It's come down. Looking fine. Okay, let's look at ADA. ADA. Now, if Bitcoin comes down, here's what we've got. Here's what we've got going on if Bitcoin comes down. We got, actually, we got three waves right there, and then we got this flat right here. Okay, and that's a three wave and a three wave. Now, guys, we're getting an impulse to the downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cardano looks like it's coming down, 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 along with Bitcoin tonight, tomorrow. It's looking, I mean, at least it looks that way if I've interpreted this correctly. So this is a flat right here. Oh, come on. There's an ABC there. We're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's that?
It's a spinach dip and
Guys, I don't have any Twizzlers tonight, but I got spinach dip
Peppers.
and peppers. We give it a try. My wife brought it to me. She's awesome. I'm on a diet, y'all. I lost 11 pounds. That feels pretty good. All right, so there you go, guys. That's what I'm looking for ADA. Yeah, it looks okay. Looks okay to keep rocking down on the 4-hour chart. No problem. It's going to come down in waves. It's going to come down in waves, but looking good. If that count is correct, that's my bias for now.
I mean, I did get sick whenever Emily was doing 6 hours, but that was a while ago.
Ethereum is, what are you doing down here?
No, it was
3, 3, 3. Okay, that's just the WXY right there.
she got a shot of
WXY right there. Gonna finish in this range right here, should. And then Ethereum should come on down some more. All right, there's ADA. Let's look at DOT. See what DOT's doing, guys. Whoa, look at DOT. Oh, wow, guys. That's scary. That chart right there is scary bearish. Guys, look at all that liquidity down here. This is scary bearish. It's about to fall off a cliff, guys. Man, that thing looks like it's about to fall off a cliff. If it doesn't break down, I don't know. It will surprise me to death. I see nothing like that.
yeah, I don't think I'm going to get it because that's probably not my decision.
So yeah, that's looking down, y'all. Now I don't know if that wick is on any other exchange. So this might be boom, boom, boom like this. But we got liquidity all under here, guys. This breaks that liquidity zone, it's gonna fall hard. This could be a premonition wick right here. $10 might be heading down to $10. So DOT's looking a little scary bearish right there. Scary bearish on the 4-hour. All right, let's look at XLM. XLM.
Well, I had pizza.
I do not like this chart, guys. Don't like it one bit. I don't like XRP either. But here's what I see on this chart, and it's very, very bearish. Very, very, very bearish. See that wave right there? And look at this wave down here on the 6-hour chart. Look on the 4-hour. It's probably the same. Yep. Can you see how this wave went to the upside, but it barely was able to make any progress to the upside? In other words, this little up wave couldn't move price, but the RSI reset. We got a 3 wave in the RSI. It looks done. It reset to oversold. Okay, if you look at the if you look at the slope of this to this, it's down. The same thing here to here is it. That's what we call hidden bearish divergence. This looks like it's about ready to fall off a cliff, guys. About ready to fall off a cliff. All right, let's look at Ethereum. Here's a good, in our setup, guys, this is a good short entry. You got hidden bearish divergence on this chart. You got a three-wave move, came to the one-to-one extension. That's a short entry right there, free of charge. There you go. There's a signal. Trade it at your own risk, but that would be a short entry and a continuation move per our strategy. Just saying. I just gave away my strategy. If you can put it together, go for it. Invalidation of that, or the stop right above the 1618. It could come or just out of the reach of a wick. If it gets up that high, you know, you can stop it out, or you can wait for it to pull back to your entry and keep going. But that's just looking pretty bearish. You got hidden bearish divergence here, this peak here, down to that peak, same peak up to this peak. That's hidden bearish divergence on the 1 minute chart. At least is going to tell you there's another wave coming. Now, I don't know if it's going to keep rocking, but there's another wave rocking, most likely. Unless they double up this correction somehow, and they can do that too. But this is an entry with a stop up here. All right, guys. So yeah, guys, everything's looking bearish to me, man. Down is the direction on all these charts. Wow. And I'm not even trying to look at it bearishly. I'm just, all the signs are pointing down. Down, 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 down. Let me see the chat. Hey, Peter. What in the world? How are you doing, dude? Good to see you, Peter Ting. I miss you, brother. Yes, Saeed Mohsin. I did look at Litecoin. We're looking at 134 to the downside, or 104, 106. Oh, David Patton, the rest of the market is going to follow. Well, G Money, I don't know if there's an alt season or not, but everything just, all the charts look down to me, man. I mean, I'm not trying to be bearish. It is bearish. All right, guys, I am done my TA. If you made it this far, the request line is open. Request line is open from now. Under Tap 6's comment, Boar from DC saying your cat is awesome. Oh, thank you. All right. I'm going to take the first 10 charts. I'm going to whip out 10 charts for you. That's all I'm doing tonight, 10 charts. And then anybody that super chats, I will take yours. If you super chat me, you know, $10 or something like that, $5, whatever you want to give, I will do your chart before anybody else's. Okay, so super chat jumps the line. 10 charts, all I'm doing. Kimosabi, Tap 6's comment at what time is the marker? Where is it? 8:53. Tap 6 says my cat is awesome. So anyway. Let me say this. Let me just remind you guys that my bias is bearish, okay? And I have reasons for it. I just shared the hidden bearish divergence on this chart on XLM. And the other charts, the wave structure is all pointing down to me, the way I'm looking at it. The market can manipulate it and make it look like that and take it up if they want to. The market can do whatever they want to do. So you need a trade, you don't just need a bias, and you shouldn't just believe me. You shouldn't just believe me, but you should take my ideas and say, okay, that's what Jim thinks, and then trade any idea you want to trade with a proper strategy. If you don't have a trade management strategy with good risk management, then you need to develop one and you need to learn one, and that's what the Discord is for. So anyway, I'd invite you into the Discord again, but please, please, please don't trade my calls blindly, please. I'm not here to give financial advice. I'm just telling you what when I look at the chart, I'm telling you what I see. Okay? I'm just telling you what I see. If you gotta, it's up to you to take the trade or not, or do whatever you want to do. Have your own management. Now, back to that Ethereum call. Watch out, guys. A lot of times they'll give you a 3-wave move, and they'll give you a rejection candle, and then they come up and take it out, and then they come down. So watch out for that move. Just saying. That's something that often happens. We have a bullet system. We don't fire our entire trade size on our first entry. We fire bullets. Once we have confirmation and then a pullback, we can fire our second bullet there, and then continue on. Okay. All right, there's some ideas for you in trading if you want to learn to trade like Jim of all trades. All right, Kimosabi, what are my 10? My first 10. All right, we're going to look at Link for Apollo moving. Look at Link. Whew. Oh, man, that's a cool chart. Looking pretty bearish to me. Can you tell? Can you tell I'm in a bearish mood tonight? Looks like it's about ready to fall off a cliff. Guys, I think there's a big move coming in the next day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. Got a 5-wave move. That could be, you know what? This is actually probably a 3-wave. This looks like a leading diagonal there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. That's possible. Okay, so what that would be then is then we got this move right here. This is actually pretty plausible. Looking for ABC. A, B. Now we're looking for the C wave. Come on down. 23 bucks, man. Let's watch $24. $23. If that's right. If it breaks this low here, if the low is broken right here, guys, on Link, we're going way down. Okay? So if it doesn't break this low, watch $23, $24 in this ballpark, and then that's maybe a buy there. That's a possibility. But if it breaks this low that I just mentioned, if it breaks 21 bucks or something, you're looking for 15 bucks. Looking for a target down here at $15 for Link. Could come as low as $11.25. So watch this 3-wave move. If that's what you get as Bitcoin comes down, looking good to go up after that. Otherwise, watch 15 bucks. There's Link. All right, XRP. Thanks, Chemo. Appreciate it. Link. I got you, buddy. XRP is next. If your chart of choice is not in the list that Kimosabi put in there, then you make sure that you super chat me and I'll do your chart for you. Okay. All right. It doesn't look, Peter, it doesn't look that bullish to me, especially if this is a 3-wave move here, because down would be the direction. It might go up after that, but this looks like that. Meyer title bomb. My friend, my brother, I told you not to do that anymore. Dag on it, man. So kind. Such a gift. Yeah, let me do XRP and I'll look at OXC right away. Right away. You jump the line, buddy. Jumping the line. And he's a friend of mine, and Meyer's been my buddy and my friend. He's been a supporter of mine for ever since I've been 500 subscribers or something like that, man. And just an encourager, and lives in New York City. We've never met in person, but we talk a lot. And anyway, he's a friend, and he knows I'm a remodeler. I just finished my last bathroom remodel today and posted some pictures in the Discord. So anyway. So yeah, if that's a 3-wave, Peter, on XRP, it looks kind of, you know, once you said, it looks kind of corrective right now. So watch out for a downward move there. Now, if it breaks the 1618, it's going to get more bullish, right? So if it breaks the 1618, it looks a little bit more bullish. All right, OXT, he jumped the line. Super chats jumped the line, guys. Especially $100 super chats. Wow, look at OXT, buddy. Wow. Did you hold it? Meyer, did you hold it long for all of that? Amazing if you did. Because I think I called it long down here, didn't I? Wow. 5 waves looks complete, sir. On the daily chart, it looks like it's ready to come down. Thanks, Elias. Appreciate it, buddy. Eli. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, I mean, it looks pretty done. We got bearish divergence right here on the daily. Might have a, I mean, you know, Bitcoin comes down. There you go, guys. ETH is breaking down now. For anybody that took that trade. That's the kind of stuff you get in the Discord, by the way. I call out trades when I see them. Teach you how to see them. So yeah, there's the ETH call there. Eight hours. 8 hours says there might be another pump coming, maybe. But if Bitcoin tanks, there won't be. But maybe maybe another pump, maybe. I don't know. It looks pretty cooked, man. But there's no bearish divergence on the chart anywhere. But it looks really good to come down, maybe. Watch out here, guys. If you took it short here, they could double you up right here. They could get a 3-wave move, and they could then double you up with another move to the upside. Mess you up and then come on down. So watch out for that move. If it comes back to your entry, if you got in up here, comes back to your entry, cut that entry, wait for a deeper entry. That's how I trade, buddy. That's how I trade. In a nutshell right there. Oh, dude. Amazing job, man. Amazing job on that, holding that OXT. Well done, buddy. Yeah, you're in take profit zone, Meyer. I'd take profit now. I wouldn't wait for any more wave. I'd just take it. Be happy with it. That's a great move. You made a bunch of money on that one. All right, thanks for the update there. I did get a super chat in there from Calvin. Well, IO coin. Okay, let's look at IO coin. Thanks for the super chat, Calvin. I appreciate it. Hi, honey. Okay, Calvin, I need to know how to type that in. I need to know what the name of the chart is, Calvin 75. So give me the name of the chart. So in TradingView. All right, I'll wait to hear from you, buddy. Yeah, if the conference is coming up, Meyer, then that means I don't think it's IOTA. I guess it could be. But Meyer, if the conference is coming up, there'll be a run up before the conference, and then the day of the conference or on the conference, it'll sell off. So
How so?
I'll have to check it out on Bookmap. I haven't heard of that, buddy. I'll have to check it out, Ryan. Let's check IOC. Ah, here it is. Gotcha. We'll do it. Do it against the U.S. dollar calculated by TradingView, or do you want it against BTC? I found it. It's IOC, but do you want it against BTC, or do you want, or against the U.S. dollar calculated by TradingView? Yeah, Jackie. Jackie, what you got to understand is the whole market is prepping for a major fall, and the crypto market is going to move in the same direction. Okay, everything's correlated. Okay, so everything follows BTC. So, yeah, every chart has a bearish look and bearish signs to it. Just saying, you know, you can take it or leave it, man. But you've been warned. And I've also warned you that I might be wrong, but I don't see it being wrong. Okay, so okay, there we go. USD calculated by TradingView. All right, here we go. Daily chart. That's crazy. Why did it pump? Was there some kind of news or conference or doubling? What happened? Why did this thing pump like this? What in the world? Huh. That's huge. That wave is huge, and then it's sideways forever. Going to bed?
I don't want to be on camera.
Come on, be on camera. Y'all meet my daughter Grace.
No!
Meet my favorite
No!
daughter. My favorite daughter Grace.
You know Emily was in the other room, right?
Until Emily comes in here, then she'll be my favorite daughter. This is Grace. Say hi.
Hi.
Good night. Love you.
What? I'm not going in there. Oh, your Simon's favorite.
Every chart's bearish, my man. They said hi, Grace.
What?
They said hi.
Hi.
She's my 11-year-old.
Soon to be 12.
Almost 12, yeah, in April 24th. She'll be 12. Okay.
The 25th?
No, he said 24th.
Oh, I was chewing chips, so I couldn't hear.
Yeah. Let me just tell you, when I see a move like this, I take profits. When I see straight up moves like that, I take profits or go short. So that's my take on it. Especially if you get to see divergence. This kind of comes down and then works its way back up. Okay. If you see divergence, short it. Or take your profit. There's really nothing here. You know, there's nothing here that say what direction it's going to go. It's been sideways so long. And then this pump is out of nowhere, so. What's up, Dinosaur Muscle Cars? How's it going, bro? Why aren't you in my Discord yet, man? You need to be in there. You've been here long enough. All right, man. All right, next one on the list. Next one on the list.
Basically what it is, it's you know how hamburger meat is like processed and stuff?
All right, Link, XRP, got BNB next. BNB next. All right, BNB. Looks like we're getting ready to go down for the third wave, just like Bitcoin. Looks similar to Bitcoin. It's been pumping for a while. 158 maybe.
I haven't had it, so I don't know. I think it'd be good though.
Watch 158.
Yeah, I'd go for it. Try it.
Watch $93.
Why not?
And this would be some kind of A, B, C. Down to the downside. And we're looking for some kind of a 1,
They're a lot better.
2, 3, 4, 5, like that.
Chicken parmesan. Barbecue sandwich.
And just update you on ETH here, guys. This is exactly what we're getting. Is we're getting a double correction.
Chili.
So now the new target is up here at 1769. Unless they don't break this top, but it's looking pretty decent. It's gonna. I don't know. It could come down from here, but if it goes up, if it keeps going up, watch 1769 to 1773. So watch this region for ETH if you're trading it, and then down. Or it could just come down from here. Either way. So BNB looks like it's 3 waves down. 158 to 93. Take a screenshot. That's the way I'm looking at it. All right, let's look at GRT. GRT. It's the same chart, guys. It's the same chart.
I could tell the whole internet just did that. Over there.
No.
A major site. Now we're even.
Back down to the structure. 59 cents. Everything's making the same movements. Best I can tell there. H-bar. All right, there's something a little different. There's something a little different. All right, so this looks like a flat in the middle. It might go up. It might have a little bit more upside to go. It hasn't reached the 1-to-1 yet. Expected to get there to the 1-to-1 and then finish this downside movement A, B, C, like that. Like 22 cents down to 15, 16 cents. Remember what I told you guys on Ethereum? They give you a nice three-wave look, bring it down, and then they'll come take you out, and then take it down. They do that a lot. Lately, I've been doing that a lot. Still have hidden bearish divergence on the chart here. Huge hidden bear divergence, guys. This is mega hidden bear divergence right here. Boom, boom. I mean, that's coming down. Ethereum's getting ready to come down. You got another entry right here, guys. Another entry. Fire another bullet. All right. So there's H bar. Watch anywhere from 22 cents to 18 cents. Tesla. Let's look at Tesla. All right. Okay. What do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looking like we're getting an ABC correction. Boom, boom, boom. Like that. And then I would expect another move to the downside like a so. So a little bit of a rally and then back down. Looks like the stock market's going to be rallying. Watch for Tesla. Watch the downside target, maybe 413. Once it finally goes down, upside target. $807 ballpark. So that would be a trade plan I'd be watching for. You get a screenshot of that if you want for Tesla. Da-da-da. Okay, there's Tesla. What's the next one? XEM. Whoa. Whoa. Interesting chart there. There's not a whole lot of price here, but this chart actually looks bullish. Here's a bullish chart, everybody. Here's a bullish chart. It's not finished, but it's almost finished. Let me show you, for the record, a bullish chart. I'm looking at this as an A, B, C flat. Could be done. And I see 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 to go. Retest the very bottom there, and then I would imagine the only way up, the only direction after that is up. Come on. Ethereum is hitting. It's hitting the 127 extension right now with hidden bear. Lots of hidden bear all over the charts, guys. Lots of hidden bear on the charts. Another down wave is coming. Best I can tell. So hopefully you cut your trade here, break even, looking for a better entry up here. Your stop for this trade, if you're trying it short, is up here above the 1618. Your entries in this region here at the 127. Anywhere about now. Decent entry area. 30-second chart. Oh yeah, overbought. Looking for divergence. One more little push to the high, and then down we go. Probably there. Looking good. So yeah, there's a bullish chart for XEM. All right, Theta's next. Theta. Oh wow, look at that. What a chart. What a chart. I already took care of it.
Did you ever do the 30 for groceries?
Yes, she did. I saw it there today.
No, I did not. There was another one.
Okay.
The $30 for groceries?
So 1, 2,
That was for the
3, 4, 5. Yeah, it looks like it's in a fifth wave here, guys. Pretty extended. Just like Bitcoin is. Pretty extended. We got bullish divergence big time on this chart. I mean, did I say bullish? I meant bearish. Divergence. You got bear divergence there on the daily. Daily divergence is powerful, y'all. And the 12 hour is pretty powerful too. So Theta is ready to go. Ready to make a downward move. Best I can see. Let me see what Bitcoin's doing. Let's pull the fibs on this little guy here. Nice little three-wave move here, guys. This is the entry zone for a trade. Let's look at the divergence. Yeah, on the 3-minute chart, you got really nice hidden bear. Boom. Boom. Unless they wipe that divergence out by a really fast move to the upside. And they can do that. They can wipe it out with a fast move to the upside. But there's hidden bearish divergence on that chart there for Bitcoin. So it's still looking good for a three-wave right now. All right. A little bit of a red candle here. Let's see if we get the follow through there. So yeah, Theta is looking about done. 4-hour chart. Oh man, look at the bearish divergence on the 4-hour. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's about done, guys. I mean, that's at the top of a wave. This is take profit zone for Theta. This is shorting zone where I'd be laddering in to start shorting, like right now. So Theta looks cooked. I'd be taking personally. I'd be taking profits here. If you haven't taken profit, you do whatever you want to do. All right, NIO. It's NIO. That's on the NASDAQ, isn't it? NIO on the NASDAQ, or is that a crypto?
I want to put something in the microwave and then I want to shove it in my face.
So there's pop pie in there.
Cereal's looking like a really good option.
Yeah, do that. Perfect.
Jim of all bears, yeah.
And I got milk.
Tim, you just become a Patreon, and I'll get you on Discord. I'll get you in the Discord.
You have stupid pop-tarts in your room.
Brad, I'll hit AMC for you once I'm done, okay? I'll hit AMC for you, buddy.
Cornflakes. Yeah, but that's like even worse than that option.
Soup.
Soups. Yeah, that's great. I'll do rice. Look, it's ready. 90 seconds.
Tim, I'll send you an email as soon as I'm done, buddy. Get you in the Discord.
That's not good.
You've never tasted it. How would you know?
I don't like this.
All right, Neo.
I want.
Oh, nice, guys. We got down to our target here.
You're gonna leave it out.
29.6.
Be out for a stinking week.
Yeah, and I'm gonna put Maggie.
Came down as a flat, guys. So I was calling for a down move. It came as a flat.
I have this also. I'm making rice. I decided.
No, but this rice.
But I don't like that rice. It's Chinese rice. Yes, I have that rice. It's yes.
Best I can tell, I say it's a flat. It might not be a flat.
As much as I like German,
That might be a three-wave move. I don't know.
I have a V8.
Are we out of the rice over here?
This may come retest and then go,
Somewhere smaller. 'Cause it's
or make a lower low and then recover. But
rather than
I think it's looking about finished. So this one might be heading up, guys. Neo NIO might be heading up. Not sure about that one. That one looks good to possibly go long. Possibly. You had a chance. You had the target area right here is really good. But this might come down and make one more low. Give us the divergence we'd like to see, and then be on our way. But yeah, there's a lot of hidden bullish divergence on that chart. Here's a bullish chart, everybody. This is a bullish chart. I just want you guys to know, this is when I see a bullish chart, I'll show you a bullish chart. That's a bullish chart. That's a bullish chart right there. I'm showing you a bullish chart. Did I mention that this is a bullish chart? Just everybody, it's a bullish chart. Okay, look at the 8 hour. What makes it a bullish chart? Well, we got a nice impulse wave that finished with divergence on the top. You had a three-wave pullback that could be finished. We have hidden bullish divergence right here. Boom, boom, ready to go up, I think. I'm looking up that bullishly. So I like Neo. I'm bullish on NIO. There you go. Tim is one of the OGs. He sure is. All right. NIO. Okay, and then OMI. Last one, guys. OMI. Then I'll do AMC for Brad.
Oh, what?
And Apple too. I'll look at Apple too because that's an interesting chart. I love the stock market charts. OMI. What is OMI? Is that NASDAQ as well? Owens and Minor Inc.
I won't take it because they're not that good.
$59K CME gap. I don't believe in CME gap. It'll eventually get filled, maybe
Me? Yeah.
in the 1800s. OMI USD. Okay. There is no OMI USD. Are you wanting Omizigo? That's OMG. So Steve Goach Getch, I don't know how to say that. OMI USD is not a thing. While you're checking that out, Steve, I'm gonna go ahead and do AMC for Brad.
Either going outside or going to the basement.
Okay, AMC. What's AMC doing?
At the door of the basement. And I sat on the ground by the door. And he takes his arms and he puts them around my neck and he bites my face. Look. Yeah. That really hurt. He bit me. That's not an expression of life. He must have gone downstairs.
three-wave move there. I don't know. This thing, to be honest with you, with all the COVID crap, I wouldn't be putting money. I wouldn't be shorting. I would not be shorting or longing AMC. Personally, I'd stay away from AMC. It's too risky. We're too low. We're too low to the bottom to short it, in my opinion, and it doesn't have enough fundamental idea to give it a bullish look. I think this, but that's a risky short. Personally, I'd stay away from the AMC chart. That's just where I am. Okay, yeah, if there's no price history for OMI, I can't do it. All right, let's look at Apple. There's a bullish chart, everybody. This is a bullish chart. Can I say it again? It's a bullish chart. Now, whether it continues up is one thing. I don't know, but this is a bullish chart. On the daily, look at the hidden bull. The RSI has reset with 3 waves. You got a 3-wave move right here. We're looking fairly bullish. Fairly bullish on the daily. Our ETH short is looking good right now. ETH short is looking good. Yeah, that's a 3-wave move. It's boom, boom, boom. Apple looks like it's going to have one more low to hit. One more low. Targeting 111. Targeting 111, and then I think up from there. That is my prediction. It could be wrong. Also targeting 102. So watch 102 to 111 in that range, and then look for long after that. There's hidden bullish divergence on the chart. Wave structure says it's finishing a correction. Unless they double the correction up, which is possible. But this is a 3-wave move, and then looks like up is the next direction. Best I can tell. Right, man, that's something I can't answer, simply. There are certain signs we look at in the market. Fibonacci levels, wave structures, RSI signs. There's all kinds of things we put together. I've got a trade setup that I teach. It's called my signature trade. Come on in the Discord and you can learn that. We'll teach you how to trade, and be glad to help you. The Discord's only $25 a month. It's easy to get in, and you can cancel anytime. So anyway, yeah, I'll teach you how to look for setups and when to enter the market there. Ricky there, or Reich, or whatever your name is, R-I-K-E, whatever, however I say that. So, all right, guys, I'm done for the night. I'm tired. I am done. I've looked at all that I want to look at. I hope you guys enjoyed Trading Night School. This isn't Trading Night School. The Gym of All Trades Discord. That's no, this isn't the Discord either. What is this? This is Sunday Night Charts. Man, my brain is just fried right now. Sunday Night Charts, yeah. So let's look at our trade one more time for ETH. Are they going to pump it one more time, one more go? That's what they often do. They'll give you a rejection wave, then they'll hit it, and then go. So they might do it. Yeah, I don't even know where I am tonight, guys. I'm so tired. Sunday Night Charts. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Excellent, Kibo. Good. I'm pretending to be Biden. Yeah, I hear you. All right. Let's see. MG says, been sold on your LA Wave analysis. Appreciate videos. Hey, you're welcome, MG. Thanks for the kind comment. I really appreciate that, man. Hey, Jack, good luck to you, man. Thanks for your comments as well. Everything's looking bearish unless, one candle can change things sometimes. So I could be wrong. Please don't trade my calls blindly. Have a risk management system and a trade system. And we'll be glad to show you ours if you want to join the Discord. Love to have you. It's for noobs. I mean, my Discord is a great place for noobs as well as seasoned traders. You'll get daily analysis. You'll get access to just educational materials, my daily, I already said daily analysis charts, and then interaction with other traders. And you can ask your questions and learn to trade. So with that being said, what's up, Josh? Good to see you, bro. Good to see you. Good night, buddy. A long time no see, man. Love you, bud. All right, you guys have a great night. Thanks for stopping in. We're going to call it a night. We'll see you guys later on the next video. Until then, later.